so it's been raining all day. I love when it rains. Like, it can rain every day and I really wouldn't even care. Like, I just love the relaxing mood that it gives me. Like, I just love being in a relaxed state. I'm gonna try to get some cleaning done. Just clean for like a little bit. And of course, since it's raining outside, Honey is not gonna use the bathroom. So let me just kind of go from there.
Sometimes I can feel it coming, like a moving tide. Yeah. I pack my things and start running, 'cause I can face it on my own. But when you're by my side, I feel strong.
So I've been using these lanterns to light my space, and I really like these. I gotta get some more of these. It gives a good ambiance.
With you, made up my mind. It is you that I will follow, 'cause it is our time, yeah. And I won't wait till tomorrow. Yeah, yeah. Oh. I won't wait till tomorrow. The rain is like never ending. Oh, it's a moody sight. But your eyes make me forget it. Oh, 'cause they lighten up the sky. 'Cause when you're by my side, I feel stronger. No need to run, no need to hide, 'cause I made up my mind. It is you that I will follow, 'cause it is our time, yeah. And I won't wait till tomorrow.
So I'm about to make some biscuits and gravy. I picked up some mushrooms, and I also noticed that these don't go bad like the sliced mushrooms. Like, I probably had this in my refrigerator for like a week.
Wanna be by your side. No need to run or hide when I'm with you. Think I might be over my troubles since you came around.
Wait. Yo, buttermilk be smelling pooblish. Like, it be stinky. Like, it's just sour. I'm from Ohio, so back in the day we used to be like, if something stink, we used to be like, it smell a little pooblish. Don't ask me where we got that term from, but pooblish means stink. It's smelling real poolish. Poolish. Like, who came up with that?
Something struck me. Oh, lately I've been caught up in my mind. Oh, it's not hard to see why I was feeling down. You saw right through it all. Oh, I could not fake it, no matter how I tried. Ooh, you cured my aching heart when you came around. I saw a million signs. I must be over it by now. There's a reason why. Ooh, I think I might be over my troubles. Yeah. They've been there for so long now. Suddenly I think of tomorrow. Yeah, since you came around. I feel like the only one who found out the reason why. Oh, I was just lonely. But since you came around, all I see is tomorrow. When you hear me calling, oh, it's you and me. Ooh, yeah, 'cause I cannot fake it. No matter how I feel, yeah, 'cause you heal my aching heart when you come around. I saw a million signs. I must be over it by now. There's a reason why. Oh, I think I might be over my troubles. They've been there for so long now. It's over. Suddenly I think of tomorrow. Yeah, since you came around. Yeah, I feel like the only one who found out the reason why. Oh, I was just lonely. But since you came around, all I see is tomorrow. In my quite some time, and I don't know if you had heard that in my world you're the light. Yeah, yeah. So buy me time, oh buy me time, baby. Oh, I know it's too late out. Cross the line too many times. Can I
just took Honey outside. She last went outside like at 3, and then she just went out at like 8, a little after 8, all because it was raining outside. I use ground chicken instead of regular sausage. Nowadays, I buy ground chicken. I don't even buy ground turkey like that no more. It's like ground chicken be more tender. And I cut that biscuit in half because it was kind of too thick. I used the biggest biscuit cutter that came in a box. So next time now I know to just use like a smaller one. Dude, I always gotta dance every time I eat. Like, I be doing too much. I gave her a piece of biscuit as usual. And she be sitting up in your face like she ain't ate all day. Like, dude, you already eat. Like, I guess dogs just gone big, like forever big. She already got some. Like, she's supposed to get some food every time. Every time I eat, she's supposed to eat. Every time I eat. You think you're supposed to eat every time I eat? Dude, sometimes I don't be really liking her being in my face while I'm eating. Because she will literally, I gotta get it on camera one day. When I'm eating sometimes, she'll be staring at me and she will start closing her eyes. She start closing her eyes like she getting tired of watching me eat. Like, dude, you ain't gotta watch me eat. Like, you can go somewhere else. You can go somewhere else. You ain't gotta watch me eat. But she just be looking like she tired. Like she be closing her eyes like she tired. She tired of watching me chew. Like, that be low-key getting on my nerves sometimes. Like I'm torturing her. She be acting like I'm torturing her. Like, I don't, like, you ain't gotta be in my face every time I eat, yo. Like, front and center. Like, dude, it got to the point where I had to be like, dude, I gotta put you in a cage. Because she be like, at attention, like staring at me, dude. Front and center. Front row seats. I got the best seats in the house. So when I eat a heavier meal, I pop one of these. It just keep me from getting bloated. So these digestive enzymes, I've been taking these for a little minute now, and I just take them with every heavy meal. I don't really take them with every single meal, but if I know I'm about to eat a heavier meal, I take these, and they are so good for keeping you from being bloated. Now, you ready to go to bed? Don't look at me like that. You trying to act like you sweet, mama? So before I get in the shower and get ready for bed, I wanted to tell y'all what happened when I went to church. So basically, I have been looking for a church home. So I finally found one. This particular pastor, I watch him on YouTube. So I saw that his church was local. So I ended up going to the church, and it was just as good as it was as if I was watching it on YouTube. So the second time that I visited the church was last Sunday. Well, first of all, the pastor wasn't there. He was out of town. But then they had this assistant pastor who was preaching. So he was preaching. He ends up talking about the scripture that I previously talked about in my last video about King Hezekiah, his illness and how he was supposed to die. So I was kind of excited because I'm like, let me just hear what he got to say about it or whatever. So the part that I explained when it came to God changing his mind, when I originally said, because Hezekiah was going to die and God was going to then add 15 years to his life, I interpreted that as like, okay, God changed his mind. God basically didn't change his mind. And I was kind of like, oh my gosh, like I pretty much did not interpret that part correctly. Basically, he used Solomon, and he used 1 Kings chapter 3, verse 11 through 14. This is basically God talking to Solomon, saying, if you walk in my ways and obey my statutes and commands as your father David did, I will give you long life. So within that, I will give you long life, the pastor was saying, God doesn't change. This is why when you hear some people say, you know, God is the same yesterday, today, and forever, the covenant that God made with Solomon, which was his original covenant, if you obey me, if you follow my ways, you know, if you're obedient, that is going to give you long life. So basically, how this applies to Hezekiah's situation is that when he was told that he was supposed to die, he pretty much appealed to God based off of his own obedience. And so, you know, I'm just glad that I understand that now, and that I can interpret it correctly, that specific part. Because, you know, I never want to like misrepresent God or anything like that or his word. And so I just wanted to clear that specific part up. And I'm just like glad too that I am in a church where I can learn proper interpretation, proper scripture, because it's a lot of information in the Bible and it's important to interpret it correctly, or, you know, learn from somebody who can interpret it correctly. So I hope all of that makes sense. Like, I feel like I was, you know, trying to articulate and trying to make y'all understand that I was pretty much, I felt like God was speaking to me through the pastor, like correcting me, then have the pastor actually speak on that and then show how that wasn't the case and what really was the case. So it just did something to me. I'm gonna end the video here and I'm gonna get this video up, try to get it up by Sunday. But yeah, good night, y'all.
Hey, baby. Ooh. Whoa. Can I tell